All right, let's jump right in. First thing we'll do on this blank canvas screen is we will add our text. And I'm going to use the word Germany because we're going to make a German flag with our color split. I'm just going to size him up so he's taking up a good portion of the page. Don't really like this font, and I'm going to go with this guy. And just one other preference, I am going to tighten the letter spacing so they're just barely touching. All right, that looks good. Now let's download this. We can't actually do this effect as a text. We have to make this an object. So I'm going to download him, bring him in, and we can get rid of this text object now. So we'll do that. Now the next thing to do is to tighten up the object so it's just the lettering. There we go. And now we'll stretch him to fit the page. All right, that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to make 3 of these. And I'll spread them out just for the sake of looking at them for the moment. Okay, so they're all exactly the same size. That's very important. Now what we want to do is I am going to make my life a little bit easier. I'm going to grab this German flag so I got something to work with off in the corner here. All right, and you can see the German flag works with a black, red, and orangish color. So we've already got black. We want to change the middle one to be red. Since it's an object, I can't just select the color. But we can go up here to edit and select duotone. We can select custom and the shadows. And here's why I grabbed that flag. So I'm going to pick a color and I want it to be that red. All right, and we can see we made that update. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the lower one. Duotone, custom. I am going to select a color off the screen. And there you go. See, now we got the overall effect that we're looking for, right? We have black, we have red, and we have orange color. Now we want to put these all together. I'm going to go and we're going to lay these right on top of each other like such. All right. And now it's just a matter of like resizing these down so that they're about a third. And we can do something like that. All right. Now if I go and grab all these, I'm going to bring them down to the center of our page. I'll quickly group them so we can move them around. Let's compare that to our German flag. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Let's look at that in full screen mode. You can see we got a really good graphic. And you can do this with anything that you like that's got multiple colors, whether it's your school colors, of another country flag, things like that. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll look forward to talking to you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.